Hackers are always looking for new ways to outsmart their victims, and you might be falling for their tricks without even realizing it. In this blog post and video, I'll be revealing the top 10 hacker tricks that cybercriminals use to steal your information and how you can stop them in their tracks. Ready to become unhackable? Let's dive in. Number 1. The Phishing Scam Playbook. Hackers are masters of disguise. They'll send you emails, texts, or DMs that look like they're from your bank, Amazon, or even your boss. These messages often include urgent requests, like verify your account now, or click here to avoid cancellation. Once you click, you're either handing over sensitive info or downloading malware. How to outsmart them. Pause and think before clicking links. Verify the sender's email address carefully. It might look similar but have subtle differences. Always log into accounts directly from the official website, not links in messages. Number 2. The fake Wi-Fi trap. Ever connected to free coffee shop Wi-Fi? Hackers create fake hotspots to intercept everything you're doing online, from emails to bank logins. This sneaky man-in-the-middle attack can expose your entire digital life. How to outsmart them. Avoid public Wi-Fi whenever possible. Use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection. Stick to your personal hotspot or mobile data for added security. Number 3. Credential Stuffing Frenzy. Imagine this: a website gets hacked and your username and password are leaked. Hackers buy that info on the dark web and try it on other platforms because, let's face it, a lot of people reuse passwords. How to outsmart them. Use unique passwords for every account. Invest in a password manager to keep track of them all. Enable multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Number 4. Social engineering schemers. Hackers are con artists at heart. They might call pretending to be IT support or send you a message from your boss asking for sensitive info. Sometimes they'll even build a long-term relationship with you before making their move. How to outsmart them. Verify identities via a trusted channel. Call your boss or IT team directly if something feels off. Stay skeptical of requests for personal information or money. Train yourself and your team to recognize these manipulation tactics. Number 5. Malicious software mayhem. Hackers hide malware in fake software updates, shady downloads, or free offers that are too good to be true. Malware can do anything from spying on you to locking your files and demanding a ransom. How to outsmart them. Only download software from official sources. Keep your operating system and antivirus tools updated. Avoid clicking pop-ups that say your system is infected. Number 6. Shoulder surfing and key logging. Hackers don't need fancy tools to steal your passwords. Sometimes they just watch you type them in a crowded cafe. Others might sneakily install keylogging malware on your device to capture every keystroke you make. How to outsmart them. Shield your screen and keyboard when typing in public. Use privacy screens on laptops. Regularly scan your devices for spyware. Number 7. The outdated software exploit. Hackers love outdated software. Why? Because old apps and systems have known vulnerabilities, and hackers have tools to exploit them with ease. How to outsmart them. Turn on automatic updates for your devices and apps. Regularly patch and update all software. Delete unused or unsupported programs. They're ticking time bombs. Number 8. USB drive bait. Hackers sometimes leave USB drives in parking lots, coffee shops, or even your office. If you plug one into your computer, malware installs instantly, giving hackers access to your system. How to outsmart them. Never plug in unknown USB drives. Disable auto run for external drives on your devices. Use USB data blockers when charging devices in public. Number 9. Weak default settings are gold mines. Many devices like routers and smart home gadgets come with weak default settings, such as admin for username and password. Hackers exploit these to take control of your devices or spy on you. How to outsmart them. Change default usernames and passwords immediately. Follow security best practices for all devices. Put smart home gadgets on a separate network for added safety. Number 10. Oversharing on social media. Hackers love oversharers. Posting about your vacation, that's a green light for burglars. Using your pet's name as a password and posting pictures with your dog, Sparky, now they've got a clue for breaking into your account. How to outsmart them. Tighten your social media privacy settings. Avoid sharing sensitive details like birthdays, travel plans, or addresses. Think twice before posting anything a hacker could use against you. Final thoughts. Hackers are always evolving, but the good news is that with a few simple precautions, you can stay one step ahead. By being mindful of these common tricks and following the tips in this post, you'll make yourself a much harder target for cyber criminals. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.